Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. How are you guys doing on today? So I'm cold, you guys. I got my air up got my air down very cool. I like to be cold when I go to bed at night. But anyway, I'm cold, so I got my hoodie on, but I'm about to take it off. But I wanted to do this video with you guys really quickly because I want you guys to follow along with me again in my process. So you guys saw my last two videos where I took down my bob braids. But I told you guys there were 3 things that I did that really helped kick my hair off into a really good direction as far as hair growth goes. So I'm going to do that process again, but I want to share with you guys my new style, y'all. So I put in brand new spring twist. I got a bobby pin there, but you guys can see that the hair is tight to my scalp. These are new. These are new, okay? New. This is the new. So I'm going to do the same 3 things that I mentioned again before in my previous video. So I will be drinking plenty of H2O. That is key, at least for me. Maybe it'll be beneficial for you. The next thing that I'm going to do is take my fenugreek supplements. And lastly, I will be using my Mielle hair strengthening oil. Now, also what I mentioned in the previous video was that in the initial install of my braids, I did use the Wonder Grow Jamaican Black Castor Oil Wonder Grease as my moisturizer when installing my braids. I did that again with these. And so you guys are going to follow along with me again, and we're going to see if we're going to have those same results with the spring twist that I had with the bob braids. So y'all, I'm excited. I hope you are too. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.